Jump Out TV production viewers and subscribers back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video we want to talk about Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Also we want to talk about the leader of the opposition, Mark Golden. We want to talk about the hurricane in a Jamaica category 5, Melissa. People, we want to talk about the people in a Westmoreland. The people in a Westmoreland are struggle. The people in a Westmoreland are suffer. The people in a Westmoreland hungry. The people in a Westmoreland no have nowhere to sleep, no food, no water. The man them say every day helicopter a fly over Westmoreland. All know they can't get aid. The brother here where video Westmoreland and a beg for help and a ball for help. The brother ya come from all the way a St. Thomas and make it in a Westmoreland. People them a deal with Westmoreland a way. It look like say politics involved. It look like say certain area in a Westmoreland, a PMP area. People, we don't want to make this about no politics, but politics involved. The two party them now work together. Anything where you see money involved in a hype, clout, and fame, you know say politics are going to take over. We are going at the video, hear what the brother here have to say, and then me come back and give my 2 cents. Make we go in a video and hear what the brother here say.
People, I beg on them, please, people, I beg on them, please. Like literally, I don't want to go up on my knee, I beg on them, people, please, I beg on them. Dayton Canberra, where you want to name me, I call you out, boss. Be something left all the people, them need help up here, more. You look, see there? People, them blow them, people don't know if live, brother. However, have some chop all, and the people need it. You look kids in the water, thirst, kill them, brother. Brother, I want to come some father, man. I want to fly copter over people every minute. I imagine I want to fly copter over people, man. Them not no food to eat. I want to do them things, my father. See the whole place. I must see about 20 somebody cuts in another place at night time. The concrete, the one concrete that's up right now. See the whole place mash up people. See that place and if you don't have stand up all night and night time. Everybody stand up. Nobody can lie down. And someone will lie down on a good bed and anything, the bed. I come. I can't do something there. I'm just come left and center and come down here. And if me can't reach down here, soldier can't reach down here too. Me come down here, I see 2 copter fly over down here. I see nobody. I have a signal, bro. Come on, man. I people, them, brother. I see them people, them vote you in. I want to see that play politics. So much people mash up. See the little kids, them, not even water they don't have to drink, my father. I tell them, I beg on you, please. See people, them, see sponge on the bed and everything, ever out the door, wet up. Imagine you don't have water to drink, you don't have food to eat, and you still have to sleep out the door. You don't give people some food, man. Bring some chop all in come for people, them. See the fire as far as they can see. Every house blow down. All the house stand up down here is concrete house, and you can't count the 2 concrete. See the one over there, so, and one up there, so no more not there. People don't want to help me, father, man. You know, come, man. Mr. Mark Golden, I beg you to go to the people in the beach and they fall. Them want water. If I have water, bring some water, come give them. But they can't quench them thirst. From the storm blow, from the look of food, and then they have a storm, and then they buy for the storm, then put it on fire already, and it done from Sunday. And some of them wet up, some of them mash up. The people that need help me, father, man. I beg you, please call the people. Everything mash up. Brother, I tell you literally like some people go mad out and people go dead on them, something like literally, you're seeing this. You can't feel good. People, I beg you, carry some water, come give people some juice. Something. Remember, say time hot, them have no ice water, them literally have no water, so how them go survive? And when you sit down in a cup every day, fly up and down. Come on, I beg you, please, you can't give people some help, you can't make it look so. I beg you if you can't help the people, them. Nathan Campbell, I beg you. And if you see that message and you ignore it, me and you have it out. I beg you if you can't help the people, them. Fly one copter with some food and some water. Come give them a drink and eat.
So yes, viewers and subscribers, me can't take no more. That video there, wicked. So people, earlier today, me see some people do shopping, buy water, buy food, buy things to carry go Jamaica. And the family where me see come from out of Westmoreland. And the people them a tell me say, jump out. A peer politics are going in a Westmoreland. The lady saying a Fidem area is a PMP area and Labour right no one help them. Andrew Holness no one help them. Majority of the aid where got Jamaica. See, most of it are going to St. Elizabeth. Most of the artists them and the people them will reach out. As St. Elizabeth them reach. And yes, St. Elizabeth need the help. But Westmoreland need the help as well. Westmoreland was more affected by the hurricane more than St. Elizabeth. See, and everybody we hear a talk about St. Elizabeth. And some people are say the reason why them go St. Elizabeth and not go Westmoreland are because them cut off. The brother y'all make you know say, all the way a St. Thomas come from. The man them not see no police in a Westmoreland all no fire department. Them not see the military. The man say every day the helicopter them a fly over them head. All no the helicopter them not drop off no water. They not drop off no food. They not airlift nothing going at them area there. I'm hear some dirty thinking idiot people. I say them no have nowhere for helicopter land. Helicopter land anywhere. Anywhere helicopter land. See, I don't tell me so no have JDF soldier plus American soldier plus soldier from other country. All you know have to do is stop the helicopter at a certain level and use rope and use leather. Won't not tell me say the amount of war show when me watch, the amount of show when me watch helicopter we design for the Dr. Bird or the hummingbird we can stop anywhere and stand still and can go close to the ground as ever. Helicopter different from plane. Helicopter go anywhere. Seeing helicopter not even have to land, it can go close to the ground as possible. And a whole open area, me see that so. At the end of the day, you can drop the food them in, drop the water in. The people them hungry, the people them thirsty, the people them not have nothing. A whole bunch of politics right now are going in the hurricane. Yeah. A whole bunch of politics. Seeing, cause even Mark Golding a complain. I say everybody way in a parliament need to get certain amount of resources where they can help. See, where them can go out there in a them community and hire contractor. One has parish council people for every MP need to get some type of resources, and some of them rich and have money, some of them is in a good paying job and been making millions a year. Some of them can go in a them pocket as well, but a whole heap of money me see I donate. Me see people I buy pallets of water in the United States of America. Me see people I go Walmart go buy water, Costco go buy water, Sam's Club, BJ's, are crazy people out there a shop and a send stuff go Jamaica or carry down stuff. Me see a lady go in her pocket and spend over 10,000 US. Seeing and a carry stuff go Westmoreland. Me see the woman a buy all different type of things for send a Westmoreland. The lady say her mother down there and her father down there. She have family down there. And the lady have to take time off for work and a fly down go Jamaica for carry stuff go Westmoreland. And the politician down there, seeing the member of parliament for that the area did they need to get certain resources so he can take the resources there and go in the community them himself. How is it when them people here want vote, they find ways to get to you, they find ways to go to you, to get your vote. Viewers and subscribers, me know a lady in my community in Jamaica right now. The lady about 80, I got 90, and them use a wheelchair and go for the lady and take the lady go vote and hold the lady hand and make sure say the lady vote for them. After that, then carry the lady go put on back the lady. When the hurricane hit, no member of parliament or nobody where did go for the lady go carry her go vote care about her. Different people have to move her and find somewhere go. See them like how them use the wheelchair, take the lady, carry the lady go vote. After that, then take the wheelchair, gone with somebody else. So at the end of the day, on the know say the lady disabled. On the know say she can't move around. She dep on her bed. But on the know say she need a wheelchair. But after the election, on the never feel like say she need a wheelchair there. The only time she need a wheelchair and when she fi vote. Me remember me auntie back in the 90s was 70 something and she was blind. Can't see, and then go for me auntie and use me auntie for vote and make sure say the MP they go in a power and make sure say they use her, hold her hand and use her for vote. That lady was blind and none of them no know how she eat or drink. But when it come election time, then go for her and make sure say she vote. Now the people them in a Westmoreland, a ball, a cry. Me see the helicopter them wanna have. Plus wanna have certain helicopter down there from the United States of America with double propeller. Them helicopter they build for war. Them helicopter they build for go in any area. Them helicopter they can carry all a car. Them helicopter they with the double propeller. Una don't play with me. Me know what me a talk about. So, enough of the things them wanna talk about, una can't reach in a certain area. I go on if you go, cause enough of una don't know if man a military or what, una don't know we background. But we know things. See? And we know a certain place where helicopter go in. And we know a certain place where we have to jump from helicopter. Our donor man, helicopter go anywhere. Or we carry you to the nearest point. Enough time we have to jump out of that. Enough time we up there in a plane and we have to jump out of that with parachute. I wanna talk about nowhere not there on earth where helicopter and plane can go. A fool on the take people them for all pan a sudden them helicopter ya disabled. All pan a sudden them helicopter ya need a wheelchair. Last week me coulda understand, but we no have the helicopter them. Wanna talk about helicopter. We have all different type of helicopter for all different type of situation. And the helicopter them deep on the ground. Wanna get people from Venezuela, Colombia, the United States of America. So from last week till now, wanna supposed to be able to can go everywhere in a Jamaica. Plus, on can airdrop food everywhere in a Jamaica. On have the helicopter them now. Last week, me did get it. Cause last week, everything did I put together. Enough helicopter never arrived. But the helicopter arrived. This thing here, a politics it a turn into now. Seeing cause at the end of the day, a crazy money involved. Remember, I said there's a catastrophic type of insurance. Seeing $150 million plus how much other money are coming in. Where artists are doing it, people are doing it. A whole heap of money did it. The money are going to start get robbed up. If it not start get robbed up already, we know we politicians them are thief. And we did say, on sit out a one year. We did ask them, say, please don't thief no money that time here. Please make the money pass. But now we realize that the amount of money we are go at Jamaica See, them now go put the whole of it out there. Enough thieving and trapping go on. And we know say them now go prison. And we know say them a trapper and scammer for morning. Yes, we beat the youths them in the street, we are scammer. Yes, we beat the youths them in the street, we are trapper and dragger. But at the end of the day, the politician them learn it from. And here's the politician them a chop people. And here's the upper class people them a chop people. See, so at the end of the day, them politician is so trained in a politics that even in a time of disaster, even in a time of emergency, even in a time of a category 5 hurricane, them still a politician. Yo, right now, Jump Out TV production, me a cook. People make me cook. Right now, me a cook. Make me cook. Like the video, comment, share, subscribe. You see, anything you see money they involved, anytime you see money involved, them politicians you no love people. Them politicians you love politics more than how them love people. Them politicians you are no human being. All them politicians you think about are them bank book. All them politicians you think about who are going to be in control of the funds. None of them not even want them in the field. None of them politicians you want to turn accountant. Right now, me I tell you, say, by 2030 or even before, them politicians are going to have more bank account. Only thing Andrew Holness have bank account yet. None of them politicians are going to rich off of this. None of them are going to rich. Because yes, the country are going to rebuild. But every man want control a certain percentage of the food for carrying for them contractor. Seeing if you go so bomb as a politician, if Andrew Holness give a MP $100 million, member say when him get the $100 million, he might take about 20 million out of it and give to the next man. The next man I go take a next 10 out of it and I say it I go on for till it reach a 700,000 and then the next man gonna take a cut and the next man I go take a cut, then he reach a contractor take for him cut, then he buy some supply till he hear say one house bill there so, one bill over there so, the road patch up over there so, till you wonder $100 million spend there so, and then you're looking at yourself and say no, I can't $100 million that, I saw them steal. You know how much time they get money for the road work? And when they get the money for the road work, every man take for them cut till they reach a level where you see a man come round and patch road and I hit that. Years now Jamaica develop. Years now Jamaica fi have better road, better electricity, better water and all of them thing there. And them been a rob up in money. Every man going to politics broke and turn rich man. Every man going to politics. All upon a sudden them have house uptown. Missy man have gas station, hardware store, big house out of politics. And enough of the youths them where work hard, our people, a pay tax, a struggle, a long time them politician ya, a chopper. And we have beg them say, don't make this be a politics thing. We not care if the area a labor right or PMP put politics to the side. You soon hear them politicians start cuss and start war. Then soon start fight against them one another because what? Money involved. And anytime you hear say money involved, mankind heart I go get corrupt. Mankind heart I go get bitter. See, before the two politicians come together and work as one. See, no for I take days off, I make one bag of press and dip on camera, I burn out the one year, I burn out the one day, while the people am hungry, while the people am a suffer, while the people am a starve. And me tell you, pro Jamaica, this is not the time for politics, but politician will never stop being politician. A leopard cannot change its spot. If you throw white powder, or if you throw a flower for a white bird and it look like white bird, a still black bird underneath. Even if you take the hog out of the mud, you can't take the mud out of the hog. So you can't take politics out of politician. A hit no more, them know. So the man see helicopter fly over every day. And you couldn't drop some water. You couldn't go as close as possible and drop some food. The road fi clear up. Where bulldozer them there, where tractor them there. To all the people them hungry. Line out soldier, line out police, line out people and make a line and pass stuff over. People need the help. At the end of the day, even ship in a Jamaica, even boat in a Jamaica. Look how much sea that blouse and skirt, Westmoreland, gone Negril, go around the coast with the ship. If you're not have to drive from Kingston, you're not even have to fly. Use the ship and go around the coast and end up on Negril. The sea black, there is so much angle to enter into Westmoreland. See, you can use the ship and go Negril, or you can use the ship and go Mobile. There is ways how to get in a Westmoreland. And the brother here, and make you know, say, him left from St. Thomas and end up a Westmoreland. How the food can reach a Westmoreland yet. How the politician them can reach a Westmoreland. How the soldier them can reach a Westmoreland yet. One I try tell me say Jamaica Defense Force. One say bill for war. One say bill for defend Jamaica. I go take a week for reach a Westmoreland. We military. We're supposed to train. Put some blood clot food on the back of the soldier them. Make them walk for St. Elizabeth go Westmoreland. Wanna tell me say, what happened to them soldier ya? Them weak out? What happened to them soldier ya? I do them soldier ya? When we are trained, we are walk for weeks. As a soldier, me can walk for months. As a youth, we used to walk go school, wanna tell me say, put some food bag on the soldier them back and make them walk from St. Elizabeth go Westmoreland. One time soldier they tough. One time soldier. What do them soldier ya? What do them helicopter pilot ya? Yo, I just understand on the self, man. See, I mean, I want nobody come say me a this no soldier. I tell you that. Saying, I know we know this. I just show fuel level bigger than that when I deal with hurricane. When I run out pan hurricane. Different thing we run out pan. When we get call, we get call. And we not play defense. We play offense. You see me? When we run out, we run out. When I run out pan them thing, baby thing that. But me I say me, what do them people here? Eh? When we are step, some place where helicopter, yo, me can't say certain things. But me I say, me no want to stray. But back to the people them in a Westmoreland. Back to the people them in a Westmoreland. People them need help. Seeing if people them need help and take politics out of it. Take politics out of it. Seeing soldier them. Moments like this on a train for. Moments like this. Have time for me I got too much. Me emotion. Calm down, youth. Stop it, calm down. Calm down. But me I say people in the Westmoreland need help. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.